Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to work with a thimble and why it is important when doing hand sewing. I would like to show you two different types of thimble. This first one is the standard metal one. It is shaped like a bell and has texture at the top part to hold the needle when pushing. I normally use it in the middle finger on my right hand as I am right-handed. The most important thing here is to choose the right size. It shouldn't be too tight, as this will feel very uncomfortable and difficult when you work. And it shouldn't be too loose, so it won't keep falling when you're sewing. This is it for the traditional thimble. I'll now show you this other one, a more ergonomic type of thimble. It is made in hard plastic and rubber. The bottom part is plastic, it has texture and is hard to allow you to push the needle. This top part is soft, it's made in rubber. It has these openings at the top for ventilation of your finger. That's a great feature because when you work for a long time your finger tends to get a little bit sweaty. And again, you need to find the right size and make sure it is comfortable and it doesn't fall when you're working. I want to show you now the movement of the needle and how the thimble pushes when you are doing some work. This is the needle and the thimble will be pushing from the back of it. I'm gonna turn my hand around so you can see the actual movement. This way. So this is the needle and your thimble will be pushing this way from the back. It feels easier when you work and when you are holding the fabric. You will need to practice this a little bit at the beginning. It might feel a bit difficult, but when you get used to it, it makes a big difference in the quality of your work. The thimble is also very useful when you work with very strong and thick fabrics, making the sewing neater and protecting your finger. Let's get a needle and thread and practice a little bit. And let's start. I have here a pre-needled hem sample. It is very important to hold the fabric using both hands and your own knees for support. You start on one side of the fabric panel, pushing the needle slowly from the back. On the first stitch, you go back and carry on sewing slowly. As you keep working, the fabric moves through your hands in a natural way. The more you practice, the easier this movement becomes, and you will work quicker and neater using the thimble. Notice how this left hand finger is guiding me from the bottom of the fabric, so I know where to put the needle through on the back side. And this is it. Please remember to place like to the video and subscribe to my channel. And also see any links for recommendations of materials in the description below. And thank you for watching me.